Good morning. On Thursday, the 7th of December, with Bitcoin right now coming down a bit, I'm not too worried. It's all part of the normal behavior in a chart. It's also what I showed you yesterday, that we could go a bit lower with that correction, which I can show you here on the 4-hour chart. Yesterday I said, well, that leg number 4 can be in place, or we do a bit more down, and that is exactly what is happening now, that leg to the downside, so I'm not too worried. I would be worried if I look on the daily chart if we do get a move below, let's say, 40,000. Until then, maybe 42. Below 42 is already that I'm starting to think, well, this is going deeper than expected. But on the higher time frame charts, I don't have any reason to be very worried. When I go to the 1 hour, I can show you what I think we will do. This is what I updated in our group this morning already. I said one more leg to the downside to make this ABC correction, where the green box is around 42,700, and from there I will be looking for a bounce. Same goes for Ether, is a bit deeper, around 2,207, 5 more or less. It's a bit deeper. Bitcoin already very close to the green box, but something like this could be a perfect opportunity for the next leg to the upside in Ether. And in Bitcoin, for now, I do have, let's say, this level, but I might even jump in when hitting the box and I see a good reaction on it. I'm not too worried, because I do see here, or we saw yesterday already on the order book flow, that there was some suppression, and spot versus perps traders is clearly showing spot selling off, but not too worried, because what you saw here is that the price was holding for a very long time, and I do think this is just a shakeout before up again. Of course, I could be wrong, and we could just blast here through that green box. If so, then I would be looking for any reaction before or from that. I do think let me correct myself. I don't think we blast through that box, but if we do see a weaker reaction from that box, then we might have a bearish retest. And let me go to the 15-minute to quickly check something, how this is behaving. I'm looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are doing here this C leg. We are doing an A, B, C, then a bounce, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I expect one more dip, and then at least a bounce. Let me quickly check in silico. I haven't checked that this today, but here on the 1 hour you can see the bottom indicator is also coming down nicely after here giving a reversal warning. And yeah, this coming down and then turning is also a nice signal for upcoming bounce. The 15-minute is already printing a reversal sign here. That could be that fourth leg I showed you, and then one more down. So in general, or to summarize, I would say I was preparing my my video and warning you for a move to the downside, but at the moment I started my recording, it was already coming down. But what I said, look at this green box around 42,600 for a reaction. A weak reaction is a bearish retest, but I'm looking for this.